Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are unboxing 4 Speddy cubes. Now, let's straight away get into it. Whatever comes first out of the box. This is the YJ NGC Evo Pyraminx. And I thought this was a Pyraminx. Why is this box so big? This cube is now 2 or 3 years old, but who cares? Let's open this. Mr. Scissors. Alright, we got Mr. Scissors. Alright, let's open this up. And this is probably going to take a while. Alright. Let's get some of these wrappers out, and we're going to get lots of more wrapper out later as we walk into the video. Now, I think I'm expecting this to be a good puzzle with a very big size. Reverend speed moving. Here it is. Let's take out this first. It has a tutorial, a screwdriver, I think. This cube I was expected to be too big for my hands. Ooh, this is nice. Turning well. Could use a bit of core loosening. Magnets, they're good. A little strong, but this cube is nice. It turns well, and can you loosen the core somehow? You have to take off the tip for that, I think. Interior, might be able to see a bit there. This is a nice cube. I'm gonna do a test solve. I usually average around 5 seconds, so let's see what I can get here. What is happening? I got a 6.81. This cube is quite good. It is a little slippery, but let's do another solve. Nice. 4.41. But honestly, what do I think of this cube? Great. Once again, the YJ NGC Evo Pyraminx. Doesn't look like you can loosen the core actually. You can go back in there, and the box you can get down there. Alright, next coming out of the box is this is the Yushin Little Magic 2x2 V2M. Let's open this. Ooh, first, it also comes with a nice little cube stand. And some accessories, too. You can check out later. Let's focus on the cube. This is core loosenable. It is turning quite good. It needs some core loosening, which I could do later. But everything's turning smooth. It could use some lube. It's a little big for my hands. But, yeah, it's actually turning very good. This should be my new main. It's a little big, or no. This is my current main, and it locks up a bit. This, however, is good. I think it will be awesome with a bit of setting up. And let's do some test solves. I usually average around 3 seconds on 2x2. So let's see how this goes. .32, pretty average. Let's do another. Not great there, 4.46. It is a really good cube, And let's check out this accessories box. What do they have in here? I thought this was an accessories box. And this is a super small tutorial. Yay. Well, this can go down there. And the next cube that will come out is a Megamix. The Shengshao Yufeng Megamix. This looks like a good Megamix. And let's open it. Oh, it comes in some packaging. This tutorial. Oh, whoa. Lots of stuff just came out. Then back. This Megamix is looking very... Oh. This Megamix, as soon as it came out of the box, it popped. I am already not sure about it, but it turns literally awesome. However, let's try to fix this. Almost fixed, and we can even see a magnet there, so we know it is magnetic. Just need to put in that final piece. I finally fixed this Megamix. Now, one thing that I like about this Megamix is that it's a quite small size. This is my old main, and you can see the size difference. I think I'll be getting a bunch of PBs. It turns smoothly, the magnets click in nice, it doesn't lock up that much. Let's do a solve. I think I'm gonna get PB first try. I hate scrambling Megamixes. This is so fast that it feels fine to scramble a Megamix. Because you probably know, it's a little hard when you scramble a Megamix. I think I'm gonna get a PB first try. I average around 1 minute 45 on this one. So let's see how I do here. Gonna plan a bit more. This is a really awesome cube. I do wonder why and how it came popped out of the box, but I was able to fix it, so not much to worry about anymore. The solve so far is looking good. This is gonna help. It's a really fast and fun cube. Once again, the name of this cube is the Shengshao Yufeng Megamix. This feels really fun to turn. Anyways, I'm doing right here really awesome. I may not get a PB, but a sub 130. My PB is 1 minute 22 seconds, I believe. And I think I might get a sub 130 here. That is my third best solve ever. A 1 minute 25, which is honestly crazy. This Megamix is really awesome. It's just the turning and everything else. It's just so good. Whew. This final cube is quite important. Everyone talks about this. Everyone's 4x4 main is probably this. It is the Moyu Aosu V7. This is the single track plus UV coating version. And Mr. Scissors, we're gonna need your help again. Okay. This is a little harder than I thought it would be. Alright, we've got this now, I think. Okay, never mind. Alright, finally, I have gotten this. Let's open it up. Already feels like a little one. Of course, the normal Moyu accessories box. Most Moyu accessories box looks like this. And I think they would usually have a tutorial, a screwdriver, and some other stuff in it. Time to try out this cube. Opening it up. UV coating feels nice. It feels like a little small cube that's just gonna be awesome. Slide it out. Time to do my first turn. Can this have core loosening? Because I think with core loosening, this would be the literal best 4x4 in the world. Let's do a test solve. It's turning smoothly. It's locking up a bit, but of course, lube can survive that problem. This is my first time ever having a UV coated cube, which is good. Turns smoothly, not too tight, not too not tight. But yeah, let's do a time solve. I usually average 54 to 55 seconds. And let's see what I get on this. This is so far feeling like a pretty average solve, actually. Okay, it feels like it's getting better and better and better. Almost done. No parity. 51.29. That is great. This Mega Maze, I can't stop thinking about all of these cubes. All of these cubes are really awesome. I would recommend trying out them all. Here are the names if you still need them. YJ, MGC, Evo, Pyraminx, Yushin Little Magic 2x2, V2M, Shengshao Yufeng Megaminx, Moyu Aosu V7 single track plus UV coating. These cubes all for a great price and really awesome. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stop making my cubes disappear. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Bye!